Dharavi, be the local tours and travels. Dharavi's industries have an annual turnover of approximately $665 million. Through a tour, visitors experience a wide range of activities such as recycling, pottery making, embroidery, bakery, soap factory, leather tanning, and many more. Most of these things are created in innovative ways and in very small spaces. When passing through residential spaces, you will undoubtedly feel the sense of community and spirit that exists in the area. People from all over the world live in Dharavi, and this diversity is apparent in the temples, mosques, and church that stand side by side. A tour through Dharavi's narrow alleys is quite an adventure. At Be the Local, they work to support local full-time students in pursuing higher education. They achieve this by simply offering them employment in their company and training them to be their tour guides. This gives the students two very distinct benefits. One is that they are able to receive sustainable income to support them in education, and second is that it boosts their self-esteem and self-confidence as they meet widely traveled and experienced tourists. Familiar to most by its name, they, being the locals, call Dharavi slum as a land of opportunities. Opportunities galore for one who is willing to work hard and innovate and thrive. They realize that the attraction to visit the slum has increased due to media glorification that attracts tourists from all over the globe, projects given to students of Architect College for redevelopment of Dharavi, good examples of small entrepreneurs that attract students from business schools. They, before they therefore take this as a golden opportunity to offer a service for tourists from all over the globe to come and visit their local neighborhood, Dharavi and Mumbai. Some of the highlights of the tour are recycling area, rooftop visit, the tin hutments that house so many human lives stretch on as far as you can see. You will never forget this view. Third, visit to a resident's house to gain an understanding of how incredibly the people of Dharavi live. The pottery colony and the community center which is supported by the funds from the tour. These are some of the glimpses of the tour.
Fahim and Tausif have been born and brought up in Dharavi and still continue to live here. After completing their primary schooling in the slum, they went for higher education to study outside. While Fahim is currently studying to earn his degree of Bachelor of Commerce, while Tausif will be soon finished with his degree in Science. Working within the tourism industry earlier and gaining experience to that, Fahim realized that there is so much that I can do. With this in mind, he and his friend Tausif created a company called Be the Local Tours and Travels in March 2010. Their vision was to offer unique experiences for tourists who want to see and learn about the other half of the city through the eyes of a local. At the same time, they wanted to dispel the negative image of slum and help the local students like themselves to earn money and gain valuable skills. This is the team of Be the Local Tours and Travels. From first-hand experiences, Tausif and Fahim know very well about the problems that many students face in Dharavi. While parents are able to offer their children's primary and secondary education, they often are unable to pay for their university courses. Therefore, the students who have desire to continue their studies need to pay in order to pay for their tuition. Many students work full-time in order to gain money, and after some years when they have enough money, they quit and continue for their university course. This is the official website of Be the Local Tours and Travels, and it has every information which we need. This is the price list. It has mainly three different categories with different duration and different amount. We have to choose, and it also have different pickup points and dropout places. Many good companies have acknowledged about them and have written really good things about them. Some of them are Forbes, Unilever, Hindustan Times, the New York Times, About.com, and many more.
लोग धारावी को स्लम बुलाते हैं एंड पहाड़ के लोग ये भी बोलते हैं धारावी में पॉवर्टी है, क्राइम है, गंदगी है। आई वॉज बॉर्न इन धारावी। मैं यहीं का हूँ, यही मेरा घर है। वही मैन भी बचपन के दोस्त है, लंगोटिया यार है।
हमारा एक मिशन है कि लोगों को धारावी बाहर से नहीं अंदर से दिखाए, जिस तरह से हम देखते हैं।
इसीलिए बी द लोकल स्टार्ट किया, जो धारावी का एक लोकल टूर सर्विस है। बिगिनिंग में सिर्फ एक विजिटिंग कार्ड था, पर हम लोगों को समझा ही नहीं पाए कि हम क्या दिखाना चाहते हैं।
वी रियलाइज कि हमें एक इम्पैक्ट करना होगा जिससे हम लोगों से कनेक्ट हो सके। हम लोगों ने कंप्यूटर पे हमारा वेबसाइट बनाया, बी द लोकल टूर्स वेबसाइट। वी वांटेड टू शो अ ग्लिम्स ऑफ धारावी थ्रू अ वेबसाइट। इंटरनेट इज सो वास्ट, मुझे लगता था कि क्या कोई हमारी छोटी सी वेबसाइट को देखेगा।
1 हफ्ता रुके, 2 हफ्ता रुके, बट कोई रेस्पॉन्स ही नहीं मिला। और फिर पहला मेल आया। आज भी वो ईमेल को देखता हूँ तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
पहले टूर में मैं बहुत नर्वस था, बट लोगों का रिएक्शन देख के आई फेल्ट वेरी गुड। हमारे यहाँ जब विजिटर्स आते हैं तो उनको यकीन नहीं होता है कि एक स्लम में इतनी सारी इंडस्ट्रीज है, सब एक साथ। We started getting more and more emails and people started contacting us from all over the globe.
जब लोग यहाँ आते हैं तो कुछ और एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं। जब वो सरप्राइज हो जाते हैं तो मुझे बहुत खुशी मिलती है। एक कंप्यूटर से शुरू किया था, आज खुद का एक छोटा सा ऑफिस है।
Today we have 10 guides, college-going students from Dharavi. The money which they earn, it helps them in their education. They also get an exposure of the world.
अगर लोगों को कुछ दिखाना है तो टेक्नोलॉजी से पूरी दुनिया के साथ शेयर कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि टेक्नोलॉजी ने दुनिया को बहुत छोटा बना दिया है। इन मैनी वेज इट हैज़ बिकम लाइक धारावी। सब एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड है। जब मैं छोटा था, अम्मी जो है अपनी सारी कीमती चीज़ एक छोटे से टीन के डिब्बा में छुपा के रखती थी। धारावी भी मुझे वैसा ही लगता है। इतने सारे अमेजिंग लोग एंड चीज़ें एक छोटी सी जगह में, सब साथ में। इसीलिए जब टूर एंड होता है तो लोगों के चेहरे पे हंसी होती है, क्योंकि उन लोगों ने कुछ नया देखा है। धारावी को वैसा देखा है जैसे मैं देखता हूँ, बाहर से नहीं, अंदर से।
Being the local, they can offer you a fascinating gateway that gives you a ringside view of the madness and magic of Mumbai, the living city that never sleeps. Thank you.